Welcome to Easy Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a chevron stitch so you can create a blanket like my neutral chevron, which I will link down below. And to begin, you're going to use a multiple of 17 for your starting chain plus 16 stitches to whatever multiple you have chosen. So for my example, I'm going to use a starting chain of 33. And to begin, you're going to start your work on the second chain from the hook and single crochet 2 stitches together, just like that. Next, you're going to single crochet once into the next 5 stitches. Once you get to the top doing your 5 single crochets up, I would suggest double checking your work just to make sure you do have the 5 stitches. And into the next chain, you're going to single crochet 3 times. This is going to create the top hump of your chevron. Next, you're going to single crochet once into each of the next 7 stitches or chains. Again, I suggest counting to make sure you do have 7 stitches because sometimes it's easy to skip or add. So the next part, you're going to skip 2 chains and single crochet into the next stitch. Single crochet 6 more times. You can really see how it's coming together, and you can see the chevron design we're making. And I'm just double checking my stitches just to make sure. Okay, into the next stitch, you're going to single crochet 3 times. We're creating another top part of the chevron. You should be left with 7 chains. We're going to single crochet into 5 chains down. I'm just double checking to make sure I have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 2 chains left, and we're going to single crochet those 2 chains together just like we did at the beginning. And you completed your first row. You should have a total of 32 stitches if you'd like to pause and check to make sure you counted right. So let's do another row. And to do the next row, you chain 1 and just flip over your work. I'll show you again. Turn your work. Now, the 2 stitches I'm pointing out is where we're going to single crochet 2 together, not the chain 1. So single crochet 2 together, and then single crochet once into the next 5 stitches, just like we did the row before. This chevron design is worked up the same from row 1 to row 100. Just double counting, making sure. Looks like I need one more. Into the next stitch, you're going to single crochet 3 times. Next, you're going to single crochet once into the next 7 stitches. Again, just like the row before. I'm going to stop and just count to make sure. Oh, so it looks like I had one too many. See how easy it is to do? Take it out, and we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and single crochet in the next stitch. And then single crochet into 6 more stitches for a total of 7 stitches. Next, you're going to single crochet 3 times in the next stitch. And then you should be left with 7 stitches, so we're going to single crochet 5 times down the side. Now you are left with 2 stitches. You can see right here. And we're going to single crochet those 2 stitches together. So we completed row 2. Let's practice one more time. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Right here. Single crochet once into the next 5 stitches. In the next stitch, single crochet 3 times. Single crochet 7 times. I'm just going to count to make sure. Okay, skip 2 and single crochet in the next stitch, and then single crochet 6 more times. So it looks like I missed a stitch, so I'm going to add one more. And in the next stitch, single crochet 3 times. Next, just like before, we're going to single crochet once into the next 5 stitches. Now we are left with 2 stitches, and we're going to single crochet these last 2 stitches together. you've completed your third row of the chevron. Just keep repeating this same pattern over and over again, and you have made yourself a chevron stitch blanket in no time at all. If you'd like more tutorials, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.